Hi and welcome to Pilot Studio. In this video, I will show you how to edit a table in a Pilot Studio template or how you can make your own table for your Pilot resume. Let's start with the simple design. Very easy to make and useful if you have experience in a limited number of aircraft. The table is made in 3 sections, all text boxes that you can easily edit. It should already have all the basic fields that you might need. You just need to click on the writing, delete the sample number, and insert the numbers from your logbook. For example, let's edit the total time. Click on the 400, delete and replace it with the number you need. It's that simple. Now, let's say you want to remove the second in command line because you don't have any second in command time. Click and highlight the line. Then delete and the job is done. You can easily repeat the same process with any other line in the table. You can remove an entire section if you wish. Click on the border of the section you want to delete until the line becomes solid. Then delete it. Now you can center the table again by going on Format, Align, and Align Center. Now I'll show you how you can make the same type of table. First, insert a text box. Use the grid lines if you want to place it in a specific place. I'll keep the outline for now as it helps to visualize the edges. Then we highlight the text and delete. Start with creating a bullet list. I like to use the empty circle. Click on the Decrease Indent button to bring it to the edge and see the font size to 10. I would recommend not go below 10 if you can. Then, we can add the text. For example, starting with the total time and add the number. I like to have the numbers aligned to the other side, so I'll use space until it is on the other side. Then copy the line and paste it how many times you want to create the rest. Now you can edit to finish it. I will put Pilot in command time and instruments. If you want to make a distinction between actual and simulated instrument, use the Indent Right button to offset them a little. Then you can change the style if you want. To build the rest of the table, simply copy and paste the section and edit it. Now you have a customized simple hours table. This way, you can truly make it how you like. We also have a more complex table design used In case you have experience in many different types of aircraft, or you want to give a better overview of your experience, to edit it is really simple. Let's say you don't have any helicopter time, but want to add complex time. Let's right-click on the helicopter row. Press Delete and delete rows. You see the helicopter row is gone. Now to add the complex time, you can use an already made column that you don't need, like second in command. Delete and write complex. Now you can edit all the times. Or if you want to add an additional column, simply right-click where you want to add it, click Insert, and insert right or left. Now you have an extra column that you can edit. To center the text, you'll have to go on Layout and Align Center. You probably have noticed that deleting a column also deleted the word aircraft from the left. To fix this, simply write in the box. Then, always in Layout, press Text Direction until the text is pointing in the direction you want. You can also delete entire columns if you don't need them. Simply highlight all of them. Then right-click, Delete columns. Now you have a good idea of how to edit the complete table. You can find it in the Pilot Studio Resume template designed for pilots with more experience. You can find the link to my online store and the templates in the description.